Hi everyone, today I'm logging into Workday Adaptive Planning to roll forward my forecast version to include my latest actuals data. This is to ensure I have a clear view of my restated year-end position. To start off, I'm having a look at my profit and loss statement for my actuals version. I'm querying my cost center Sales North. I can see that on the left-hand side, I have my profit and loss account structure, and wherever I have a grouping, I can expand to see more detailed accounts as required. In this view, I can see that I have actuals data flowing through from my ERP up until March 2024. Let's take a look at my working forecast. Again, I'm looking at my profit and loss sheet within Adaptive Planning, but this time I have selected my working forecast version and I'm still looking at my Sales North cost center. On the left-hand side, the same account structure is available, again with expand and collapse functionality wherever I have an account grouping. At this point here, the key difference is that I've got data populated through to the end of FY 2024. I've also got two text colors in here. Across Adaptive Planning, wherever I see a green number, this indicates the presence of actuals data. For my profit and loss, this indicates my actuals data flowing through from my ERP. Wherever I see black text, this indicates planning data that has been entered or calculated as part of my planning version, in this case, working forecast. So what we want to do now is we want to refresh the sheet to see my revised working forecast when my actuals for March 2024 have been included. To keep an eye on this, what I'm going to do is take a look at my net income. Currently, with actuals through to February and planning data from March onwards, my projected net income is $2.158 million. My system administrator has confirmed that my working forecast has been updated to include my latest actuals. So let's go ahead and refresh my sheet. Adaptive Planning is now refreshing my sheet. It's checking my version settings and it's identified that March 2024 now includes my latest actuals. As you can see, March is now a green text color. And if we want to do a quick check, we can see that my product revenue for March 2024 is $574,948. And if I move back to my actuals version, I can see that same number in here, confirming that my actuals have been pulled through to my working forecast. If I now scroll to the end of my profit and loss statement, I can see that my net income has now been revised and we're now projecting a loss of almost over $300,000. Looking through my profit and loss statement, I can see that there is a significant expense that's occurred for my travel and entertainment area of my profit and loss, which is contributing to that projected loss for my 2024 year. In summary, Adaptive Planning enables organizations to easily roll forward and update their rolling forecasts to include the latest actuals data. This allows for more accurate forecasting throughout the year without having to troubleshoot error-prone, formula-driven Excel workbooks. For more information on how to better automate your forecast and planning requirements, please reach out to Fusion 5. We'd love to hear from you.